guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to add zip file on your browser extension. So now click on browser and I'll show browser at Google Chrome. Click three dot icon and click extension, manage extension. Then you need developer mode enable. Okay, now you can upload pick upload and select your file or pick extension, link and update exciting extension. So now I am just drag and drop multi-session box, drop to install. Okay, already installed. Okay, then I am click extension and pin, then it will totally work multi-login session box. Okay, now tab is ready. So if you need to multi-session box update, just click on update extension updates. So this is 0 and 0 is late. Okay, then it's totally cool. So I hope enjoy this video. Please like, comment and share.